In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. All you need to do is go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Now, when you see all of those shortcuts, hold this icon and drag it down to see names of them. Finally, click on Auto Rotate 1. And when it turns blue, that means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!